In today's video, I'll show you how to create a clean opening where the screen appears like a search page loading and then reveals your video. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline so the effect feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Search Page, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, interface style elements appear and clear away, revealing the video underneath with a modern and clean feel. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the page loads. Shorter duration makes the reveal quick and snappy. Longer duration slows it down, making it feel more realistic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the loading motion feels natural. And that's it. You've successfully added a search page reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut mobile animation tutorials.